This is Eric back with Auto Replay, man, and it's July 4th. I want to wish everybody a good holiday, man. Hope you enjoy everything with your family, man. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Thanks for all the comments and everything like that. And as you see right here, it is raining cats and dogs here in Florida. We got that tropical storm that's coming our way. And so, you know, I won't be doing anything today actually with the Dodge or anything like that. But I just want to let you know that, you know, if you checked out any of the videos, there's a lot going on with that rebuild of this eBay auction car that was a Copart vandalized car where somebody had bust all the windows out. You know, I got videos on restoring the headlights, the fog lights, replacing the Tempum, changing out, you know, the PCV valve, replacing the transmission filter and the fluid, changing the oil, changing out the steering rack, changing out ABS sensor on there. I went and got the tires done, that discount tire. I let them fool with that, and got brand new TPMS sensors, how to use the Autel AP200 scanner on it. So you guys see, pull all the codes out of the engine, the transmission, the BCM, and everything like that. And you know, just I didn't show the window regulator. I have to do another video because when I first bought it, the driver's rear, I think, window regulator was out. I did end up making a video on how to replace the radio on there, and then go back and I had to add a wire harness to keep all the CAN bus for the computer to talk through the stereo. So that was interesting. And then, you know, there's a few things that I still want to do on it. I definitely want to replace the muffler on there. It's shot, it needs to be done. And then I need to take it to the dealership so they can actually reset the ABS sensor for the passenger seat, because it needs weights calculated on it, because the ABS light comes on from time to time. But I still, it's not quite right there. I still have a little bit of a front end wobbliness in a sense, and the back seam kind of goes up and down a little bit. It's not as stiff as it should be. So we're going to look at like maybe making or finding some kind of part that will actually stabilize the car so it'll be a lot more smoother for a ride. I mean, it's just something that, you know, as I started this channel, I actually took the time to really kind of put towards this vehicle. And I'm going to actually probably wash my Mercedes SLK 320 that's in the back. It's been sitting for about 8 months, and I don't really want to put a lot of time and effort into it, but you know, I am interested in just putting a battery in it, just cranking over the engine, letting all the fluids run, pulling to the front when it's not raining like cats and dogs, and then go ahead and I want to wash it, just open the top, close the top, just kind of let it run and kind of, you know, let it work for a little bit, because that one needs a whole lot of work. That was one that I bought sight unseen from Copart. Don't ever do that, man. Don't ever do that. You always want to go to Copart and look at them. Now, unless it's like low miles and just like you see, like it just needs like, you know, like a fender or something, but you really have to go look at them. And I have videos on that, man. I got Copart walk-arounds here in Midway, which is close by Tallahassee. I got videos on Auto Auctions IO. So I got a whole playlist on different things. I got videos on actually like dividend investing, how to sell on eBay. So this is a channel that talks about, you know, things that are fun, family, and finances, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'll catch you on the next one, and we'll keep it going. So that will be coming up soon, just for a cleanup video. But yeah, man, it's pouring pretty bad out here, man. Yeah, we're gonna be doing some cooking and stuff, but not really much.